if you're getting humming or hissing noises or static noises from your FM transmitter like this, okay, the reason for that is because these kind of FM transmitter, it's plugged into the car. So when you plug into the car, the power source is coming from here, and the FM transmitter, the emitter, okay, the one that convert the signals to your music to the radio signal, the signal also comes out from here. So when you have the power going through here and the signal coming out from here, it's interfering with each other. And that's why you get that hissing and static noise and all that noise coming out from your FM transmitter. So to fix that, you need to get an FM transmitter that does not share the same power source as the emitter. Okay, so now you have the Gizmo Guy Gadget. The Gizmo Guy Gadget looks like this. Okay, this is the power, the emitter that sends out the signal, and it's powered by using the USB. So you can either come using this kind of a thing, using the cigarette socket to plug it in, like this, to plug it into the car, and you see, as you can see, that there's actually some distance between the emitter and the power source. This is why you don't get you won't get static or hissing noise from this setup. Or alternatively, you can use a power bank. Okay, use a power bank like this, and you plug it in to the power bank. So you're not sharing the same power source as the emitter or the car or the stereo. So that will completely eliminate all the noises. And this way, you can power it up. Okay, this will give you the best sound quality of anything, because the power source is independent from the car and the stereo. So you get crystal clear music from your FM transmitter. You can do the same with the VIP version. Okay, all you got to do is plug it in. So in case if your cigarette lighter is dirty or whatever, you can do it this way, and then you'll work. Just like the same as my iPhone, my Gizmo Guy Gadget 4th generation. This way, you'll get best sound quality. Why? Because the power source, okay, it's not from the car, because the power source for the car stereo is from the car. So that way, they will interfere with each other. So the best thing that you can do is power your FM transmitter from another power source. So that way, they won't be interfering with one another, and you'll get the best crystal clear sound of music from your FM transmitter. Okay? Thank you.